Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products in your collection pages. So basically this code is not specific to color variants only. If you have any other variant, then still you can able to separate them on the collection pages as an individual product. So I will show you step by step that how you can do it yourself. So currently on my screen you can see that I have different products, but each product has only one color displayed on the collection pages. So I will show you that how you can display all the other variants, for example colors, on the collection pages. So for example, right here I have this product, and if you will see inside of it, we have three colors of this specific product which I am interested to display on collection page. In the complete store there are so many collections, so in all of the collections you will see that the variants are separated. And if you want any specific collection that only on a specific collection you wanted to separate the products, so that is also possible, but we need to write a condition for that collection page. So let me show you step by step that how you can do it yourself. So you should go to the dashboard of the store, and here you can see that I have installed Studio theme. If you have any other theme, then I have already created a playlist of all the videos for different themes, so you can follow that. Or maybe if you are not finding the relevant video, then you can ask me, I will create a video for you, or maybe I will do it on your store. So first thing you should do is you should click on these three dots and duplicate this theme. So if you make any mistake or you have any problem with the code changes, so you can actually restore back into original code. And once you are done the backup, then you should click on these three dots again and click on edit code. And here you will see that we have various folders and files, and we need to follow the documentation. I have already given the link below in the description, so you should download the documentation, and then you will actually find out that you will have these three files. Firstly, you should open document.txt, and inside of it you will have all the steps mentioned in this file. So now the first step is that you should create a new snippet. The name of that snippet will be color-variant. So let me copy this name from here, go back to this screen, click on snippets, click on add a new snippet, and you need to paste that name here, and then click on done. Again, you should go back to the documentation and you need to create another new snippet, and name of that snippet will be color-card-product. So you should copy that, and then you should go back to this screen, click on add a new snippet again and paste that name here, and then click on done. So that's how you have created two files which are empty right now. So we are going to paste the code which I have already attached. So the first code is color-variant.txt. You need to copy this complete code, and then you should go back, click on color-variant.liquid, and inside of it you need to paste it, and you should save the changes, and then after you should close this file. Go back to the files, you should open color-card-product.txt, and you need to copy this complete code and go back and paste inside of this empty file, which is color-card-product.liquid, and then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, then you can close this file and go back to the documentation. And here you can see that we have completed two steps. Now we have the third step, which is go to sections, open main-collection-product-grid. So let me copy this name and search inside the search box. You will find out that under sections we have a file name main-collection-product-grid.liquid, and inside of it we are going to find card-product. So let me copy this, and you need to find it using Ctrl F or maybe Command F, and here you can see that it is already highlighted, and we are going to replace these words with color-variant. So copy this from here, and you need to remove it and replace it with color-variant. Once you pasted that, then go back, and we have the final step, which is the fourth step. You need to remove li tag around the card product render component. So that means here you can see that this component, around it we have li tag, so you need to remove it, and then you also need to remove this closing tag of li. Once you are done, then you can save the changes. So that's how you have completed all the steps which we had. Now it's time to refresh the page and check the changes. Here we go. Now you can see that we have all the colors of each product are displayed on this collection page. So now you can see that we have various color variants displayed as a separate product on this collection page. And this is looking more beautiful than before, because earlier we only had one color and now we have multiple colors displayed on this collection page. So this is looking more beautiful than before. And if you are going through any of the other collections, then you can still then you can see that we have also color variants separated as an individual product. So that's how you can actually do the stuff into your store. If you have any problem or something, so directly you can message me on the WhatsApp or any other media I have already shared in the description. So feel free to ask me the questions. And one more thing I wanted to mention here is that if you have problem while downloading the code or something, so you can message me. And if you have a new store to create, or maybe you want further customizations into your store, wanted to create a new section, or maybe you want to improve something, so you can directly message me. I am ready to help you in improving and boosting the sales. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel and also like this video. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. You can join a WhatsApp group where I have created a community, so people are consuming the content which I have published on all the social medias. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.